Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching all of my Huda Beauty matte and metal melted eyeshadows. Basically, I bought every single shade since they came out. I first got like just the shades I wanted and then I ended up buying all the shades. These are not any of the new shades that just released. I did order those and I will do a swatch video soon. I didn't order all of those though because they're expensive. I bought most of these because they were on sale. But anyways, if you want to see the swatches of all these beautiful shades, just keep watching. And I will also be reviewing them because I've used most of these. So yeah, if you want to see swatches and a review of the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal eyeshadows, then just keep watching. Okay, so now you guys have seen the swatches, let's talk about the product itself. So, some of the shimmer sides can be a little watery, particularly the yellow green and the purple pink. Those were quite watery, so I don't know if it's because I've had them for like a few months or whatever, but yeah, so they were a little watery, but you can see that they were still pretty pigmented. The mattes on all of them were really amazing. I mean, they're incredibly pigmented. My favorites are, of course, the blue and the green yellow. I think those are the most stunning. So basically for me, I really love the fun shades. I think that lots of people think that these would crease, but on me they never have creased, which I really like, and I do like the quality of them. I like that the shimmer end is a different sort of like applicator so that you can do like eyeliner. It's actually really cool. So this is the difference between applicator of the matte and the shimmer side. I do like that the matte is a bigger sort of doe foot applicator that you can just put on your eye, blend it out and go, and then the shimmer you can use is like an eyeliner or like an accent topper. I really like the applicators actually. I just wish that the shimmer wasn't so clumpy because some of them can be a bit more clumpy, but I don't find that they crease or anything. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the difference in applicator between the melted and the matte. Another complaint that I do have is that some of the wands on the shimmer sides fray and like they don't stick together, so then it kind of messes up the applicator, but you can always just use a brush instead. These retail for 33 Canadian dollars, which is, it's expensive. Like, but Huda Beauty is usually expensive, so I kind of bought most of these on sale. The only ones that I didn't, I probably bought like these for not on sale because I really liked them, but the rest I bought on sale, and I didn't buy them all together either because these came out at different times. I regret getting all of them because I'm not going to use them, so I'm definitely going to be decluttering some of them because I don't need them, but I do think that this is an amazing product, so. I have used all of the bright shades here, and I love them so much. I'll insert, like, the 2 looks I have photos of that I did. Super simple to use. You literally just apply the matte. You can blend it with your fingers, or you can blend it with a brush, and then you can add the shimmer if you want, or you can just leave it. I really, really like how easy these products are. I just wish that they were a little bit more affordable, but you know with Huda Beauty, it's going to be a little bit expensive. These more neutral colors are gorgeous as well. I just don't really see myself using the matte side very much, but I think for like an everyday sort of look, these would be amazing. All of the mattes are really good. There aren't really any hits or miss of any of them that I've tried. I think the only ones I haven't tried are maybe like these 2, the more nude ones. But I really do love the colorful ones, but I'm someone who likes color, so of course I'm gonna like the colorful ones more. For me, these last on my eyes all day. I would use a primer just to be safe, but I know you don't necessarily need to. But for me, my makeup wears up on my eyes very easily sometimes, so it's just a good idea for me to use primer. These are just so pretty. I can't get over how pretty these are. I do really think they're worth the price. I mean, yes, it's expensive, but if you just pick up a few shades that you want, or even better, get them on sale, then, you know, I think it's worth it. I really love the formula. It's honestly so good. I can't wait to see more colors from her. She released some more like purpley ones, so I got those ones and I'm very excited. I think the shade range is really nice because you have neutrals and then you have color. So really like anyone who wants like neutrals can go get a neutral, or you can go get color if you're like me and prefer color, which I think is great, and I think that more brands need to like include products like this. Personally, I think these are very versatile too. There's a lot of different ways you can use them. Like, I would use like the more iridescent shade, like especially the gold on the inner corner, and maybe even blend it into the brow bone. But like you can use use these as eyeliners, you can cut crease, like you can do a lot of different things with these, which I like. So the mattes have the tendency to stain, especially like for the brighter colors. The neutral's not as bad. As you guys can see, the shimmers don't really stain at all, except for that red one. I used to really like the Stila Glitter and Glows, but honestly, those went bad really quick. They dried out so fast. Like, I had bought so many, and they basically all dried out, so I kind of don't buy these anymore, and I hope that Huda comes out with more shades of these so that I can have every shade of the rainbow at this point. These are without flash, and like, ugh, they're just so pretty. I can't get over that. I really, really like them. Let me know down below what your favorite shades are. I definitely think that these 2 are my favorite shades. They're just so bright and fun. I will be doing a swatch and review of the 3 other shades of the new launch that I got, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. You shit. You're so cute. Baby boy.
You can't. There's no room anywhere up there. No, you can't even get in the door. There's no room. Don't even think about it. Hey. Hey. Don't even think about it.
Hi! Well, of course, there's always got to be a visitor when I'm doing makeup stuff. Yeah. Yeah, there's always got to be a visitor. Oh, okay, thanks. What are you doing? You're a brat. Bye. She always goes in the window. Uh, rude. Rude. Hi. Rude. Make sure to go follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO. I'm currently sick, so if I sound kind of dead, that's why. Hey, get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down.